Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to schedule an email in Outlook. So let's get right into it. Open Outlook and begin by composing a new email. Fill in all the necessary details such as recipient's address, subject, and your message. Look for the More Options arrow located in the Tags group on the ribbon. Click this arrow to expand your sending options. In the expanded menu, find Delivery Options. Here, check the box next to Do Not Deliver Before. This allows you to set a future delivery time for your email. Once you check the box, you will be able to select the delivery date and time that you want. Make sure you choose the correct time, keeping in mind the recipient's time zone if different from yours. After setting your desired date and time, click Close to go back to your email. Now that your delivery time is set and done composing your email, click Send. The email won't go out immediately but will sit in your outbox. If at any point you want to change the timing of your scheduled email, just go to your outbox. Here you can open any scheduled email, make changes, and reschedule or send immediately. And there you have it. Now you know how to schedule emails in Outlook, making sure they are sent exactly when needed. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or suggestions for topics you want me to cover, please drop a comment below. I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.